So good morning to everyone. So now we discuss about the topic locus. So in this we discuss the 4 marks questions for IP, right? That is from the Telugu Academy. Important questions. Exercise 1A. So first one, read the question. Find the equation of locus of P. If the line segment joining two comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5 subtends a right angle at P. Now already I told you, when the words right angle ends of the hypotenuse subtend a right angle, these words, if it is comes in the question, simply should take the right angle triangle, and with respect to that we can write geometric condition by using the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle. Right now should draw the one right angle triangle. Right now, so draw like this. Just a minute. So this is the one right angle triangle. Now, so he was given that 2 points, that is 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5 subtend a right angle at P. So that means what? This is the right angle, right? So that I write it here. Now I take it as this is P and this is A and B is there. Okay. Now, so here I take the points as A, B, given, let us suppose A is equals to 2 comma 3 and B is equals to what? Minus 1 comma 5. Okay. Now, and let P is equals x comma y be the point on the locus. Okay. Now, then what is the geometric condition? Now we have to write the geometric condition. Okay. Now, geometric condition. So what is that geometric condition? Apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is that? PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square. Now, so in this, again you should apply the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? You should write it, that is what. If let us suppose A is equals to x1, y1 and B is equals to x2, y2. Then distance between A and B is AB is equals to what is that? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right? Now you should apply this. Now here, what is the PA square? Now here AB square means what? Without square root, you should write it. That's it. Nothing is there. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now PA square. So that means what? Here I write. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus PB square. PB square means what? These two. Already here minus is there now, so that's why I write x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to AB square. Distance between these two. So what is that? So that is 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay. Now you should expand this one. A minus B, A plus B. So what are the formulas? A minus B, A plus B whole square. So that I write it again. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB and A plus B whole square. So what is that? So that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now write it that. You should expand this one. A minus B whole square. So that is equals to what? X square plus 4 minus 4x. Okay. Now A minus B whole square again. That is A is equals to y, B is equal to 3 is there. So therefore A square plus B square minus 2AB. 2 into y into 3. That is equals to 6y plus x square plus 1 plus 2x. Next year also same. Y square plus 25 minus 2AB. 10y. So is equal to here 2 plus 1, 3. 3 means what? That is 3 square. 3 square means what? 9. Plus here what is that? So 2. 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, that is equals to what? 4. Okay. Now you should write. That is x square. So 9 plus 4, or better to write simplify directly. Right? Now how many x squares are there here? You should see x square is there. So that is equals to 2x square. Next, then you should write down y square. Y square, that is equals to 2y square. Next, x terms. So this is minus 4x, this is plus 2x. So therefore minus 4 plus 2, that is equals minus 2x. Next, so minus 6, 10y. Minus 10y is there. So minus 16y. Now constants, how many is there? See, here 4, 9 is there. Here 4, 9 is there. So that is cancelled. Next, rest of the terms is what? So here 1 is there and here 25 is there. So 1 plus 25, that is 26. So which is equal to 0. Now you should write down like this. That means what? Take the common 2. Okay. So that is equals to what? Minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now, so therefore, write what is that? X square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equal to 0. So it is the equation of locus of point P. Okay, now this is our required solution. Now see once again, just simply here, what is that? The line segment. What is that? Joining 2 points, right? But subtend a right angle. The right angle what is there now? So that is by using the Pythagoras theorem, the right angle triangle, you should write it as a geometric condition. So in the throughout the locus, write the geometric condition is a very important part. So basis on that, if you know how to write the geometric condition, 50% of the solution is completed. After that, you should apply the distance between the 2 points. So that is equal to this one. Okay. Now, so next is what? Next question you should write it. Next question until that is second one. So write it. The ends of the hypotenuse same as it is. The ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are what are that? 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the equation of the locus of point P. That is nothing but here the third vertex, that is. That is nothing but P. Okay, now write down the solution. Say, what is that? Given A is equal to 0, 6, B is equal to 6, 0. And now let P x, y be the point on the locus. Now, what is the geometry condition? Write it. What is that? Same. The geometric condition is what? So before that, so you should draw the triangle, right angle triangle. Okay. So this is our right angle triangle. Now there is a third vertex. This is the what is that? AB is the hypotenuse. Okay. A, B, and this is P. This is the right angle. Third vertex, that is one. Now, so what is that geometric condition? PA square plus PB square is equals to AB square. Now here Direct I am writing, substituting. Already I wrote in the distance formula, the previous problem. So from that, write it. PA square. So that is equal to what? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. This is PA. Next, what is the PB? This one. X minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, which is equal to what? AB square. AB square means what? So distance between the A and B. I write here now. So this one. So that is equal to what? 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. Now simplify. You should expand A minus B and A plus B whole square. Now here x minus 0, that is x square plus A minus B whole square, that is y square plus 36 minus 12y. This is x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square. Here 0 minus 6, that is minus 6 whole square, that is 36. And here also same. That is 6 minus 0, that is 6. 6 whole square means what? That is 36. Okay, now simplify. So x square, that is 2x square. Y square plus y square, that is 2y square. Okay, now, so minus 12x minus 12y, right? 36, 36. Here 36, 36 is there. So that is cancelled. Now write the simplest form. If it is there, if it is possible. So 2 6 are 12. 6y is equal to 0. So therefore x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. So it is the equation of, what is that? Equation of locus of point P. Point P. That is nothing but a what? Third vertex. It is a equation of locus of third vertex. Okay. Now, so next one. Next question, write it. So that is, this is complete different problem what we discussed in the previous videos also, right? So that you should write it as third question. This is, so find the equation of the locus of point, right? The difference of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. Now, so see here question, find the equation of, right, the locus of a point, that is P, the difference of whose distances from this point and this point is B. Let us suppose if I write the A is a one point and B is a another point, P is that one, that is moving point always. So there is a distance between PA and PB, right? It was given PA, PB, the difference is equal to what? 8. So difference means what? It is not a subtraction, right? Why? Because see, if I write the some 6 and 3, 6 and 3 means what? The difference is means what? That is equals to 3. But when I write the 6 minus 3 and 3 minus 6, there is a lot of difference is there. 3 and minus 3 there. That is the subtraction. But you should remember, the always the difference is a positive value. So 20 and 25. So what is the difference? 5. That is a positive. Right? So difference between the difference and subtraction. There is a lot of difference is there. Right? So that's why you should remember that. So if I write this PA minus PB, right, or PB minus PA, right, you should take it as this is 8. So that's why, see here, if I write the 6 minus 3, 3 minus 6, so that is equals to 3 is there. So that's why minus 3 plus 3 is there. So for that I write the mod 3. So whatever the difference, if it is there, you should simply write down that is mod of PA minus PB is equals to 8. So that means what? PA minus PB, if I write that, so that is plus or minus 8. If I remove that, you don't know about the particular minus we are writing, no? So that's why for the difference, you should get the positive value. So therefore, PA minus PB is equals to 8 and PA minus PB is equals to minus 8 also. So that's why you should combine, you should write it as the difference of whose distances PA and PB, that we can write it as a geometry condition. What is that? Mod of PA minus PB, that is equals to 8. So that is the geometry condition. This is the little bit different from previous one. So that's why you should remember, if it is difference word, if it is comes in the problem, just simply should write down PA minus PB with respect to the A and B. Right now, so that you should write it. Make it fast. So given A, that is equals to what? Minus 5, 0, and B 5, 0. Now let P x comma y be the point on the locus. Now, what is the geometric condition? What is that? I write here. Mod of PA minus PB is equals to 8. Now, PA minus PB is equals plus or minus 8. Now here you should write it. PA is equals, take into the right side. So this is the procedure to get the equation of locus of point P. Now do the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So that is PA whole square, which is equals to plus or minus 8 plus PB whole square. Now I should write it here, PA whole square, which is equals to A plus B whole square, that is 64 plus PB whole square, right? Again plus or minus 2AB, no. So plus or minus 2 into plus or minus 8 into PB. So that's why here plus or minus, if it is not there, you should write it whatever the sign is there. So that is 16 PB. Now, so apply the distance formula. So what is the PA? So that is equals to what? X plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is equals to 64 plus PB. What is the P value? 5, 0, no? X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus or minus 16 PB, write it as it is. The next step we can simplify that. So A plus B whole square, x square plus 25 plus 10x plus y square, y minus 0, that is y square, 64 plus x square. Now here 25 minus 10x plus y square plus or minus 16 pb. Okay, so here x square and y square cancel, and there is a 25 and 25 cancel. Rest of the terms is plus 10x is the 64 minus 10x. So this other than pb term, so rest of right terms send into the left side. So that is 10x. So minus 64 plus 10x. Okay, so which is equals to what? Plus or minus 16 pb. Okay, now so you should write it this way: 10 plus 10, that is equals to 20, x minus 64, which is equals to plus or minus 16 pb. Okay, now here which term you should take the common? 4, 5, 20, 4, 16 the next plus or minus 16 pb is there. Now 4 4s are here cancel, and 5x minus 16, right, which is equal to plus or minus 4 pb. Right, now to remove the pb, to simplify the pb, again you should do the squaring on both sides. So this is the new one. Again squaring on both sides. Again we can do the now. So this is what? 25x minus 16 whole square, which is equal to plus or minus 4 pb whole square. So a minus b whole square, 25 x square plus, so 16 the, how much? 16 the, see that, 96. So that is how much? 256. Okay, minus 2ab. 2ab means what? 2 into 5x into minus 16. Sorry, 16. How much this is? So 10, 160. 160x, which is equal to what? 16 pb square. Now, already we know that pb square. So what is that pb? pb means what? X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Now see there, what is the pb here? pb. So this is no. So pb square, this one. So x minus 5 whole square plus 5 y minus 0 whole square, right? Now, so now write it here: 16 a minus b, x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square. Okay, now simplify. That means what? You should multiply with 16. So 25 into 16. 16 in 5 the 80, 32, 400. Right? Now 400 minus 160 plus 16y square. Now what is the left side? That is 25x square plus 256 minus 160x. On the left side also 160 is there, minus. So there is total x square 400, this x square and y square take into the left side, and here 256 take into the right side. So we should write like this one: 25x square and 16 x square minus 16y square is equals 400 minus 256. Now, so this is equal to what? 9x square minus 16y square is equals, that is 144 is there, right? Now, so to get the textbook answer, so you should this is actually equation of the locus, right? Now, so whatever the constant is that, dividing by that 144. 16y square by 144 is equals 144 by 144. So dividing by 144 on both sides. Both sides. Okay. So this is 9, 16 the 16 9 the, and this is 1. So therefore x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equals to 1. So this is our equation of the, it is right, it is the equation of locus of point. Okay. Now, so we will see in the next class, and some more problems we discuss. So once again, this you should see this. It's a little bit lengthy compared to the previous one. Just simply whatever the previous apply the method is there. That same method you should apply, but the geometry condition is the very important in this one. Right? Don't confuse with that. If it is difference, if it is there, so always you should write it mod of the two differences. That means what? Either it may be PA minus PB or PB minus PA. So that's why you should write it as a mod of PA minus PB. So that is, you should remember this one. This is the very important one. So after that, you should apply the distance formula, and then afterward you should simplify. After, you should again apply the squaring on both sides. Then you should get that, right? So after simplification, you should get the required equation of the locus of point P, right? So thank you to everyone. Once again, next we'll see in the next video along with the same locus. Some more problems is there from the Telugu Academy, right? So different models are there. These are the very, very important for the IPE 4 marks question, right? So thank you to everyone. Once again, we'll see in the next.